In this video, I am going to show you how to delete your Uber account permanently. Whether you are switching services or just taking a break, I will guide you step by step. To begin, open the Uber app on your device. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, select Setting from the options. Once you are in your settings, look for the option labeled Privacy and tap it. Scroll down until you find the account deletion page under the account security tab. Once you click account deletion, you might be prompted to verify your identity. Simply click accept to proceed. Now you will be prompted to enter either your phone number or email address. Enter one and tap next. A 4-digit verification code will be sent to your phone. Copy that code and paste it into the provided field. At this point, Uber will display a message indicating which profiles will be deleted. If you are sure you want to proceed, tap continue. Choose a reason for deleting your account, then tap delete account to finalize the process. Your account deletion request will be submitted and you will be logged out of the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and also discover amazing deals on top product in my YouTube shop. Check out the description for special offers you wouldn't want to miss.